Hey guys, it's Kay. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a wig I was sent from XRS Beauty. Just in case you guys are interested, check below for the links and details to this wig. So this is actually what the wig looks like straight out the box with the lace still on, and this is what it looks like after the lace has been cut off. Now this now this wig does come pre-plucked, and it also comes with bleached knots. As you can see, this wig is super thick, you guys. Now this is supposed to be a wet and wavy wig, so you can wear it straight or you can wet it and wear it curly. If you wanted to wear this wig glueless, you could also wear it glueless. So basically, you can just wear this bad boy straight out of the packaging. It looks so nice. I love the way the lace just blends in to your skin. But y'all just wait for this end result. I love the fullness of this wig. Look at that, y'all. Alright, so I'm already going to let you know, like, I love the thickness of this, like, period. I love how thick it is, because I be wanting one of those like full bob styles, and I feel like I can achieve it with this thickness. Like, it's super thick, and it almost reminds you of like a natural blown out texture. I really like it. So okay, so my camera cut off on me in the middle of me trying to straighten his hair, so y'all didn't see the full process, but you get it. It was simple. I just straightened it, and look how it looks. It looks so full and natural. Like, this looks like somebody's natural hair. It looks really good. I love the fullness of it. It just feels and looks really good, you guys. I'm pumped. And this is the back. I didn't get the back too good just because I couldn't see, but look at all that body. Like, this wig is really nice. Now right here, I'm taking my spray bottle, and it has water in it, and I'm just going to spray one side so you guys can see the difference. And as you can see, it curls right up after it's been straightened. Now, as you can see, one side is straightened, and this is what it looks like, real full and just natural looking, and the other side is natural looking as well, but the curls are popping. They look so luscious. Now I'm going in and I'm gonna spray the other side just because I'm curious to see what the wig looks like curly all over, and how thick it's gonna be. I'm just like real curious. So as you can see, this side is starting to wave up, and eventually it gets curly, but y'all just wait until you see the curls once it dries. Like, I fell in love. But this is what the wig looks like, all curly, and that's basically it. I really like this wig, you guys. Like, I really like this wig, down to the lace, the pre-pluck game, just everything. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comment section down below, and I love you guys. I'll see y'all in my next video.